Nowadays in the market, everyone is talking about SEO revolution. So what do you think? SEO is revolutionizing or is dead? Actually, now I'm getting very confused.
Oh, that's a great question. So, firstly, I want to clarify is that SEO is not that, it's a revolutionizing.
Okay.
So, let me help you out in the simple language what's the traditional SEO is and what's the modern SEO is. If I am talking about the traditional SEO, the companies or the people's mostly focused on the adding the more keywords, creating a lots of backlinks or ranking on Google. Rather than they have to focus on the human centric content, they are just focused on the ranking the on the Google search. So they have focused on the Google content. So they have a myth in the mind that if they rank on the first page, then they will automatically get the traffic. Rather than they have the focus on to get the more traffic only.
As you mentioned that to get the more traffic on our website, we have to rank our website on the first page of the search engine. However, I got to know nowadays there is no need to rank our website on the first page. So what's your opinion on it?
Yeah, you know that the technology is changing very fast, and we have a new technology that is AI, that is artificial intelligence. If I am talking about in the SEO, we are just focused on the AI based SEO.
Yeah.
That means that we do not have to more focused on the backlinks, we have to more focused on the content part as well. If you are using the iPhone, let's take an example of that only.
Okay.
If you have to search anything on the Google, you have to just say that Siri, could you please let me know what's the best digital marketing
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
agency? So what does it mean? That we are providing the real question or we are asking the real question and that will help to get the real answer. That means in the SEO also nowadays we have to provide the real or direct answer to the users rather than to give the all over the history and geography of that. So nowadays Google is focused on that part also. If I'm talking about the backlinks or adding the more keyword or keyword stuffing, that's now totally dead. So what we have to do, we have to just focus on the quality rather than the quantity. What people think that earlier they have just getting thousands of backlinks in a month to rank our website and to get the more traffic. But after the evolutionizing of AI, which I've already mentioned earlier, so what now a different platform also where we can rank and get the more traffic. Now let's take an example of ChatGPT. Everyone is using the ChatGPT in the market nowadays to write the each and every content. So if we are asking the or ranking our website on ChatGPT, we can also get the more traffic or generate the more leads also from there. How it's possible? Like let's take an example of the earlier also. Now we are asking the same question which we asked from the series. What could you please let me know the best digital marketing agency in Gurgaon? So what ChatGPT is doing, they are just putting the websites according to the answers or the content which is available on the website. So that's very important to write the user centric or human centric content, which earlier we are not focused on.
Okay, so the traditional SEO doesn't work anymore. We have to just more focus on different aspects to rank on Google.
Yes, definitely. The traditional SEO is totally not working nowadays. Because if I'm talking about the different aspects, you know that the Google is changing your algorithms or their algorithms on a daily basis, or they're just
Yes.
putting new algorithms or doing a new changes in this. So what we have to do, we have just not only focus on the content or we have to provide the real experience to the users. So that will help us to rank on the website to get more traffic, because basically what SEO is to get the more traffic. If we get the more traffic, then definitely we get more leads. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to put our content in a very simple or layman language. That means we do not have to use more jargons also, because if we are using the jargons also, it might be the user which is coming on our website will not be able to understand. So that will help to increase the bounce rate also. So what we have to focus in the SEO nowadays, we have to focus that the human content should be human centric. It should be an intent and it should provide the value to the users. That will help to rank or to get more traffic. So if I'm talking about the AI, definitely if people are using the chat GPT also to write the content. People have a myth in the market, or they have a myth in the mind that if they are putting the AI based content on their website, then definitely the website will not get ranked. That's a totally myth. And that's a totally wrong. If we are putting the AI based content and the AI content is providing the real answer to the users, then definitely it will get help or to get the rank on the Google. So if I'm talking about, there are multiple aspects which is coming, there are multiple jargons which is evolving on a daily basis. If you have listened about the AEO, GEO, LLM, then only you can understand it, how it's different. Like if I'm talking about the AEO, that's answer engine optimization. That means we have to optimize our content to give the answer to the user. Then there is GEO, that means generative engine optimization. That means we have to optimize according to their aspect or GEO aspect. Then we have a LLM, that is large language model. That means we have, when we are writing the content, we have to focus on each and every aspect at the time of writing the content, not only just the putting the keywords there. So what does it mean? Definitely after getting the new technology, the work is getting sorted, or the technology help us to out or to rank the websites on the Google fast. But we have to focus on different aspects also. Earlier, what happened that we have to create a lots of backlinks that I've already mentioned earlier. To rank on the Google, and takes lots of time, like the 6 months or 7 months or the even 12 months to rank on the Google. Even the keywords which have a low search volume or low keyword difficulty. But after getting the AI, we can rank the high search volume keyword in less than 3 months also. That's the main basic important aspect of the AI based SEO, or the main positive aspect of the AI based. Because if I'm talking about the market, people are not that much they have to wait for the 12 months to get the ranking, because they're putting their amount also there, or putting their investment. Yeah. So they want the quick result. How we can get to know, or how we can put the investment or the return on that, if we are doing the AI based or we are adopting the modern technology in the SEO part.
Okay, wait. That sounds interesting. We have to focus on AEO, GEO, LLM techniques.
Yeah, definitely. That I've already mentioned that the SEO is changing, or we have to adapt the modern SEO also. So we have to adapt the new technique also that I have already mentioned earlier, AEO, LLM, and GEO.
Could you please light on it to get understand more better?
Yeah, don't worry. It's not too complicated. I will definitely help you out to understand it, AEO, GEO, and LLM techniques, or how we can write our content according to the AI-driven approach. But in our next video.
Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe our YouTube channel to get more information about the modern SEO.